and welcome to 124 Joshua Road in Orangeville, Ontario.
I'm Jason Galbraith.
And I'm Bradley Mayer-Harman.
And we are the Mayer-Harman team. 124 Joshua is located in a very desired pocket of Orangeville. Right at the corner of Highway 9 and Highway 10, this commuter-friendly location is waiting for you.
This gorgeous detached home features 3 bedrooms, a gorgeous family room, just over 1,800 square feet. If you'd like to see this home, be sure to check out the open house details below or contact us for a private viewing of the home.